PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Oh, right. How was that? The serve was alright, right? How was it? Just tapped it. Do you feel like the ball is slightly higher now? It's slightly better to hit the ball a bit higher. Yes, this feels very comfortable. Yes, spin it. Yes, the block was really good. This had some good spin. Okay. What was that? Ha ha ha. I wanted to send some underspin, but ended up with topspin. I can hit with more power. Suddenly feels like I can hit with more power with underspin. Oh, is this the feeling? The hand feel is really good. Haha, really. Xiaopang's hand feel is always good. I am also Xiaopang. Quite slim, right? I am still slim. How much do you weigh? I'm definitely heavier than you. I'm not afraid to reveal my weight. A man's weight is like a woman's age. Both are secrets. Is the arm countered? Right. At first, you can't find the feeling of countering with the arm. Step on the left foot. Who is leading the foot? Being carried and crossed. When he lifts it up, it just rises a bit. The cross then presses down. Isn't this countering? Right, of course. No need to deliberate anymore. Do you see if it is like this? This is how you can counter. But you couldn't do it at the beginning. If you step on the foot, won't he counter? Because the foot cannot lift and fall on its own. He is being manipulated. You will learn to step on the foot. Then you will be able to counter. It looks like a clock dial. This is the position where it enters at 1 o'clock. Then the entry position is here. Ah, a wrist flick. So why was it called a wrist flick before serving? Ha ha ha, does it look like it? It feels like using a wrist flick to hit the ball. Different parts for wrist flicking. 11 o'clock underspin, 12 o'clock side spin, arching at the hour's position. Isn't it a wrist flick? All involve wrist flicking. Underspin. Side spin. Arching. That's obvious arching. Slightly darker for dim arching. Put a little effort into dim arching. It's a bit like setting up a short ball. You are a bit too close to your body. You're too close to your body, handsome. This toss needs improvement. For a side spin ball, you shouldn't be too far away, but not too close either. Being too close also makes it difficult to hit. How do you put more effort into it, right? Just right. Right, you can't say your hand can't move. Yes. Great. Okay. Spin like this. This doesn't spin. It doesn't seem to spin, Spinning a bit. Is it still not spinning? Don't spin this. This looks clear. Yours looks particularly like it's spinning. What is this? This also looks like, but I feel like it's not spinning. It doesn't spin, but it looks like it's spinning. This one. Spinning spin. This one. Doesn't spin. Doesn't spin, doesn't spin. Not spinning or spinning. When I decrypted it for him, I was like, wow, ha ha ha, what's actually going on? I used 2 different motions to serve this ball. True or false? Correct. The second serve that doesn't spin is fake. True. What do you think? Let me show you the real and fake with this serve. Spinning, spinning. Fake or real? Oh, not spinning utilizes that timing difference. When I pretended to cut it, I didn't actually cut it. I'm utilizing the spin from earlier, pulling back with that fake motion, gently brushing the ball over. Then I just push the ball with a curved trajectory. It's somewhat similar to spinning. Slightly lower makes it look like it's spinning. Not a big spin. It's a dead spin. Not a big spin. The short one is the same. With this spin, you can see it spinning. Let me show it to you slowly. Of course, I can see it. Ha ha ha. Just a slight tap. Can't see clearly. But it should not be spinning. The first one spins. Fake slice, real brush can't spin. Real slice, fake brush can spin. Fake slice, real brush can't spin. Sneaky serving style. Oh, this. Oh, indeed, quite sneaky. You are just too obvious in the rhythm you're putting out now. They are not the same, right? You need to gradually serve him more evenly. Aren't you feeling nauseous? Junk serve, not spinning. Doesn't spin. Actually, you also have an honest and reliable face. Looks very honest and reliable at first glance. My wife was attracted to this about me back then. Do you have a girlfriend? No. Ah, indeed. My wife valued me at the time. You have already grown like this. So safe. You are a forehand player. Everything in the front is the same. It's just the process of falling. If you drop it naturally, won't the ball be lower? What about backspin? Backspin is very simple. Just go directly. Look at the backspin. Isn't this just a side spin? How can you make him? How do you put side spin on this? Let me teach you a way. This is 11 o'clock. 12 o'clock. As soon as you come in. Backspin. 13 o'clock. Isn't this a side spin? Let me give you another 1 o'clock come in. Is it a forehand? Look, isn't it a forehand? Ah, is it still a cut? Not even mentioning the point. Use this method to serve. It's a forehand. Ha, 13 o'clock topspin. Side spin, is this side spin at 11 o'clock? When hitting a backhand, how is it done? How do you judge his spin? It's very simple, since you can serve, you can also look at where he contacts the ball. He's looking for the outer side bottom. Looking for the outer side middle. If it's blocked this way, or you can serve upwards, then it's definitely a fight. As soon as it hits the table, it is definitely a forehand.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.